Time to do some two-laning. We are in the woods. Or will be for sure. Delivering propane to a chicken house. The sun is just come up. Perfect time to go to a chicken farm you never been to. They put these places well off the beaten path, and I'm not a fan of going in for the first time at night. Most drivers that I work with will tell you the same thing. It's just, there's too many unknowns. Here we go. Got a try hard coming around. Double yellow line. Get her done, bud. For a 30-mile turn. Kicker is those, we got to make this a hard ride, so I guess it's better than he went around. Whatever. It's not as hard as the map makes it look, because they added a little deal here, but it's by no means real easy. People have drug their trailers through the mud. We're going to skirt just on the edge of the road in the mirror. Good to go. This is where things get interesting. See, aren't y'all glad I record my adventures? Looks like somebody might be getting a house or something. Got a mailbox out here. Of course, there's a mailbox for the house across the road, but leveling it out with gravel. Got the porta potty going. Well, at least I got a bathroom. Priorities, folks, priorities. This place is about 5 miles back off in here. So we're in the woods. We got some roadkill. Looks like skunk. Yummy. We are in the new truck and have the new trailer. I'm loving it so far. Yes, there's some quirks to it. You know, it's got some little things I'm gonna have to work through, and some things, honestly, you just gotta get over. It is what it is. But like overall, I'm definitely pleased with the change. I think the biggest thing that I'm having to get used to is how much longer the wheelbase is on this truck. I thought it was only 300, but I've been told it's 308. I'll have to verify that at some point somehow. But it's much longer than the truck I had previously. The truck that I was in before, the orange truck, was 285. And so I'm definitely having to get used to kind of how you turn. Just all of the things, where the trailer, you know, the tracking of the trailer is going to be, because the fifth wheel's longer, you know, further back. So, you know, getting into some of these tight places, it's going to be a challenge, but I'm up for it. And I mean, thankfully they put a steering wheel in here, so and a nice one at that. I'll let y'all get the overall tour soon enough. We're just going to meet at the trees. That's cool. Surprisingly, there's plenty of room. Little county roads, you never know. Yeah, we'll definitely do the whole truck tour. I'll do inside, outside, upside down. You know, we'll hit it all. So be on the lookout for that. That is not this video. Don't just leave now. Don't just leave. But I want that to be a video where I can like fully go around the truck, climb all over it, go inside and out. I never did that with the orange truck, and I kind of wish I did. Honestly, I kind of wish I did. Y'all probably wish I did too, but I will definitely do that for this one. Promise, pinky promise, Scouts honor, all of the things. Because I think it's important. It's important for y'all to see kind of how these trucks are set up. But I mean, also, now is this stop sign for me? I can't tell. No, that stop sign is for them. Okay. There's not one in the other direction. It's just those folks right there I have to stop. That's interesting. But it was kind of facing us, you know? This is sketch. Kind of coming over these blind hills, narrow road. Oh, gosh. That's why we're just taking her easy. Taking her easy. A little momentum for the hill coming up. Yeah, basically what happened is I had a co-worker that was assigned to this truck, and he decided to part ways with the company for his own reasons, and so that created an opening, and I asked for it. And again, as I said in the past, you know, by the grace of management, I got the privilege of driving this one. You know, I had the privilege of driving the last one. They're all a privilege. I mean, the equipment that they provide us is second to none, and I mean, they take really good care of us. So the guy, there was a guy that I work with, well, of course not the guy that I work with, but a co-worker that I know. You know, this company's got, I think it's like 100, 150 drivers, so it's not like you know everybody. You know, at least not, I don't know everybody. I haven't been here long enough to know everybody, but guy asked for the truck that I was driving, the orange one, and we've been kind of communicating a little bit. He got the wheel I bought installed. Man, I wish I would have been able to get it installed. I never got to show it to y'all here. I'll show you a picture right here. It matches that truck so well. I saw it on the wall at the truck shop, chrome shop, and it's like, hopefully they'll let me buy this thing, and they did. And I tried to get it put on at a service that got done at a place outside of our normal shop in Chandler, a different shop we use. And unfortunately, a steering wheel puller, it wouldn't work for that wheel that was on the truck. The wheel that was on the truck, the base was just, it wasn't right. The thickness of the steering wheel itself wouldn't allow the plate that goes over the top where the bolts go down and through. You tighten the bolts and it pulls the wheel off. So the folks at the Chandler shop must have had a better, or I shouldn't say better, a different style steering wheel puller or a different style plate to allow that thing to get removed. So sorry that was so long-winded, but I'm happy for the driver. He got to put that wheel on, and man, it goes really well with that truck for sure. Really well. Alright. We're getting close, and I was told be on the lookout for a red barn. When you see the red barn, make your turn. Don't go past the red barn without making your turn. It won't be pretty. Okay. Like I told you, we were backwoodsing it. saying about 3/8 of a mile. So able to find it on an aerial, like a satellite view, and drop me a pin. So that's what I'm banking on right now. There's a red barn. Nice. Okay. Real slow here. Take a right. I just do not want to blow this turn. Uphill from here. Just gonna take her nice and easy here. I don't know how big or bad this grade is, so to speak, and so I'm just gonna keep her in a gear that I know works just fine. Second, third high, 3 high. Another little pull here, and then there's the tank on top of the hill there. Man, this is gonna shoot up right here. Like Swiss cheese on the ground. See why I don't like coming to these places at night? First time, this would be pitch black. You know, there might be lights up here, but there wouldn't have been any lights down there. That is sketchy. Okay, so definitely need to come this way. Is that hill right there? So we're gonna be, we're gonna be unloading on the driver's side, and then have to back out of here when we're done, which is fine. Be a little interesting too. Another tight turn. Use up all the road we got. When we back up though, we are going to be A-okay, that's for sure. There's our bulkhead. Axle back down. We'll just get lined up for the bulkhead here on the left. We don't need to be right up on top of it, truthfully, because I mean we're right up on top of it to the left because of how narrow this is. I got a 20-foot unload hose, so I'm gonna pull past it just a touch. Give us some room to actually work that hose. PTO on. All right, let's unload this thing. Here we go. Let's see, I'll give you the glimpse. There's the overall truck and trailer. We're gonna go through all the little nuances in a separate video, all right? But y'all get your little peek. All right, so header here.
Little snappies are closed, so I'm gonna pull that. Hopefully that'll give us some pressure to open it. I don't see a nitrogen bottle. Maybe push it. We'll work on that. But it's a spitter gauge. So check this dude out. I'm gonna bleed out. Just start slowly dropping it. There's 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. 20%. All right. Let her bleed out. 20%. And it's a 30,000 gallon. Pressure's at about 70 psi, so we'll go ahead and get it unloading, and then we'll cook on the vapor in a little bit. But everything's behind a fence, so everything's open as far as like valves on their end. Now I do got the valves down here that I'm gonna have to get off in this gate and open. I'm a little wondering why that Slappy Joe deal ain't kicking on, but we can fix that, so no big deal. Oh, first things first. You always gotta drop your chocks. Drop those chocks. Safety first. I did unload with this trailer yesterday, so I know that vapor's on this side, liquid's on the other. I'm gonna probably switch that around. I like the liquid to be on the left. Just a personal preference of mine. Those dudes going. While we're over here, up our pump, our vapor. Go ahead and grab a J-wrench for that. With it being at that wonky angle, I can't get the oomph on it. All right. Go. Okay, so they're liquid. I can hear it filling up my hose. We may just have to get a little creative here on this deal. There you go, MacGyvering it. Aren't you proud of me, Mom? Okay. Hose ends have seen better days, but looks like the hose overall is in good shape. And it filled my hose, so everything's working. Okay. start unloading this pig. Remember, 20 psi or 20% on their side, about 75 psi. We're unloading. This pump is faster than our other trailer and quieter. We're about 80, 90 psi. We're gonna go ahead and open that vapor up because it's not gonna take long to equalize. Let's go rev her up and get this thing kicked off. Yeah, but there you go. Overall on the trailer, yep, lights on the axles. Placards are kind of shining, stainless steel, match the deck plate. It's a clean rig. All finished up. Okay. Got the pump shut down, all the valves closed. Take a quick look at this spitter gauge. Remember, she was at 20. We're expecting around 50, 54. Pick her back up. Each notch is 2. Yep, 54. All right. Get this hose disconnected, give them their paperwork. We'll be on our way. As I said, I'm going to load this one in the left tube. That's where I'm used to having it. And look at us right now. We're unloading on the left, which is kind of the typical way. So, typical way for where I've been unloading anyway. A lot of places have their own hoses, but I've just noticed the majority of mine have it on the left. So. Fix that. Okay. All right. All right. Give them their paperwork, 54%. We'll be on our way. And I'll go through on the truck video kind of how I have this whole thing laid out. You can see the milk crates and stuff in here. Had to get very organized since I don't have side boxes anymore. Also 32 degrees. They're at 54%. All right, get them their copy. We'll lock up. Go. And you see that little pole behind us? We're going to jockey around it and out we go here. So yeah, no, I got some more cleaning up to do. No judging yet. We got some more cleaning up to do. Got some tidying. it's hard getting moved into a truck, you know, for the first time being in. And granted, the cab itself is obviously, and the sleeper is identical to the last truck, but I don't have the center console in here yet, so I got stuff down in there. Just is what it is. All right, let's get backed up and get out of here. I can just see that yellow pole in the mirror. I actually start straightening her out now. Really appreciate y'all tuning into the video. Don't forget to like it if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted anytime I upload a new video or go live. And last but not least, if you want to be part of the TramFam, there's a join button down below. You can hit that join button, subscribe to a membership for the channel. Just helps me get more equipment to bring better content for y'all. So really appreciate y'all being here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, keep it between the mayonnaise and the mustard. Take care.